Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So this is one video that I filmed twice. The first time it wasn't recording, and the second time I think something was wrong with my lighting and it affected it. So with these things I have to wait for my brows to get fuller, for my brows to get a bit rough before I can film another one. So I apologize that this tutorial is coming a bit late than it's supposed to. This, if we're going to be going by a sequence, this tutorial is supposed to have been up even before the brows tutorial. So I apologize and I hope you all forgive me. I'm going to be showing you how I shape or how I groom my brows at home. This is a very important step in doing your brows. I just hope with this video everybody learns how to do theirs, because it honestly affects your whole makeup, and because it's also very easy to fill your brows when they are well defined. So I'm going to come a bit close to the camera just so you all can see what my brows look like right now. Y'all can see that these brows have been crying, have been screaming for some TLC. So we're just going to show them some love in this video. Another thing is, you can decide to thread or wax your brows. It all depends on you, but I personally prefer to go in with my razor. Like, I prefer to go the old way, but I think I'm going to try to thread my brows just so I see if I might prefer it. But I heard it's really painful, like that thing is painful, and I am not about to go and start crying because someone is threading my brows. I might try it, because when you thread your brows, the advantage is that it doesn't grow as fast as when you use a razor to groom your brows. So I think I'm going to try that threading stuff, and when I do eventually, I'll tell you guys how it went. The razor I'll be using is Tiger razor blade. Now this comes in a pack of 10, and you can get it anywhere. You can get it from your malam at the back of your house, the aboki in front of your house. So you can either break this into two, or you can use it in full like this. Make sure you're using a new razor. You all know the reason why. So I'm just going to pull you guys in a bit just so you all can see what I'm doing and what I'm doing where and when I'm doing what, and so we're going to go ahead and do these brows now. So the first thing you want to do is to brush up the hairs. Make sure you pull in your skin. You want to use the tip of the razor to take out some of the little hairs. The next thing you want to do is to pull down the hairs you have above your hair. And then you brush upwards again. And you see all these excess hairs, you want to take them out now. So you just want to keep brushing up until you are very sure that you don't have any. Next thing you do is to brush down your hairs. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, share this video, like, drop a comment, and I'll see you in my next one.